Hello, welcome. Today we will be setting up a volume discount. Let's get started. Our first step is to set up a promotion. You can set this as a purchase. As we scroll down, we encounter the discount products section. Here you can select multiple products, a collection, or any specific product you wish to include in the promotion. Volume discounts are versatile and can be used in various scenarios, such as mix and match promotions. For example, you could set up a promotion where a customer purchasing products from a collection receives a 20% discount or individual or mix match across all selected product. Now, let's set up a collection. For this example, we'll use a jewelry and perfume collection. Once this is done, we'll set the minimum quantity for a 30% discount to 2 items. You can adjust the number of tiers to suit your needs. For this demonstration, we'll set up 1 tier. Next, we have the discount combination setting. Ensure you enable this if you have other active discounts in your store. We also have the option for multi-language setup. This allows you to communicate your promotion in various languages. You can customize the product page title and the cart widget title. You have the option to run this campaign continuously or schedule it for a future date. On the right side, you can preview the widget on a selected page or on a cart page. You can customize the color to match your branding. Once you're happy with your setup, hit save. Now, let's see how it works on our store. We've added 2 items to our collection. Let's try the mix and match use case. We'll add 1 perfume and 1 piece of jewelry. Once these are added, you'll see the discount applied to both products. This is how you can set up a mix and match use case. You can also set up a specific for a single product or for all products. You can set up multiple tiers, like the one we've set up here. And that's how the volume discount works. If you're looking for a discount based on the cart subtotal, you can set up a tiered cart discount. For a discount based on a fixed amount, you can use the buy X for Y amount promo. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.